Hi, I'm Andrea from Black Cube Labs. Welcome to this new template, which is built on the human Moat framework, which we develop specifically for AI consultants and agency owner who know their stuff, they know their game, but they cannot figure out what to specialize in. So the core idea here is simple. Your defensible niche is not about what AI tools you know, but it's more about the intersection of your domain expertise, your community trust, and real verified market pain. And when those three overlaps, that's your moat. And this board will walk you through a real work example, and then will also give you a structured canvas to map your own. And basically, at the end, you will leave with a niche statement that you can test within 7 days. You can start at the beginning of the frame one to understand a little bit how it works. And you also have some resources like prompts that you can use with MIRO AI or another LLM to help you out. I hope you find it useful and enjoy.